lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shannise. If you're an oldie but a goodie, what's good, what's popping? So I'm back again with another video, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this bomb ass passion twist. So if you're interested in finding out, keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. First things first, that you want to make sure that you start with clean hair, properly moisturized, because protective styles, especially like braids, twists and all of that, tend to dry out your hair. So you want to make sure that you're starting out with the clean base. So to moisturize my hair, I used this leave-in conditioner right here from African Pride, and then I went ahead and I used this butter from Jamaican Mango and Lime. There we go. And then you want to sew in that moisture with some oil. I used this oil from Native Child. Okay, so I went ahead and braided my hair off camera. I did cornrows, but with the twist. So you can do whichever braiding style that you want. You can do flat twists, cornrows, it's totally up to you. So the method that I used was just creating these little boxes that you can see in the front, because I want to create an illusion of single twists, if you get what I'm saying. Like you can see there's like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I did this so I can just take you guys through the process that I did. Okay, so you're gonna start by doing this little braid over here, right? Just creating that little box, and then you're gonna come here, which you guys can see. I'm just looking through the mirror. So you're gonna create another box. You're just gonna open up this part right here, and then you're gonna take this little braid that you created and join it with this hair. So now I've got the braid and the piece of hair, and then the remaining piece of hair you're just going to, oh my gosh, my hand's tangled. Okay, there we go. You're gonna part it into two, and then you're gonna braid again, right? So I'm not sure if you guys can see this. Now I've got 1, 2 boxes, right? And then you're just gonna finish off with the normal cornrow method. Just bring it in and then just cornrow. Okay, so basically this is how it should look like. It shouldn't be perfect because you're just gonna crochet over it, and this is how the back looks like. If I tell you that this was my first time doing this, you won't believe it, but I think it's not bad for a first attempt. Okay, so you are going to need a crochet and some braids. So these are the braids that I'm using from Darling. It's called the Passion Twist, and I have it in the color 1. This is how the hair looks like. It comes in this huge pack, and it is split into 2 small batches. So you're gonna grab a white piece of hair and just gonna stretch it out, okay? Just to open up the curl, and also if you wanted to have a little more length. This process needs patience, okay? So you're just gonna gently slide in your crochet, just gently. It's going to open up at some point, but just make sure that you do it gently. So you're gonna grab your hair and hook it on to the crochet. Just do it gently. There we go. And close it. See, it's closed. And then you're going to bring it onto the other side. Open it up, and then it creates this loop right here. So you're going to take one of the sides and just make sure it's leveled, because you want to make sure that it's just, or try. You're going to take one piece and open up your loop, bring it in, and secure it, right? And then you are going to start twisting. So as you can see, I'm not twisting too tightly because I want the twist to maintain the original bouncy shape of the braid. So you're going to try not to twist as tight as possible. Okay, so now you're going to start twisting, and your twists are going to be one finger apart. I repeat, one finger apart. Okay, so with some of the hair, I went ahead and pre-twisted it just for fun. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to install it if it's already pre-twisted. Let's go. So as you can see, there's a gap between those two boxes. All you do is just take more hairpiece or a pre-twisted twist to just cover the gap. Everybody gets high sometimes, you know. What else can we do when we're feeling? And this is the end result. Guys, I'm going to mention that this was my very first attempt. I'm so surprised that it turned out the way it did for a first time. Wow, not so bad. I can't complain at all. So this is what I was talking about when I said I'm creating it to make an illusion of singles. So it looks like I have single twists, as you can see with the boxes right here. So that was the aim, and achieved. Wow, I can't complain at all. This looks pretty good. And this is the back. Not bad. I'm happy. Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about these hair piece right here. I did mention that it is from Darling. It's called the Passion Twist. They have it in quite a number of colors. I chose to go with number one because I'm not really that comfortable in experimenting with different colors, maybe at a later stage. So I bought 3 packs because that's the recommended number of packs if you want a full head, but I ended up using 2. The braid is very light, guys. I literally can't fill it. Like, the way it's like I don't have any braids on my head right now. So if you're interested in purchasing the braids, I've left a link right down below. You can purchase it directly from Style Diva. They deliver quite quickly. Okay, so we have reached the end of our video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you guys have any video recommendations, leave them right down below in the comment section. So until next time, bye. I won't let go.